welcome or welcome back to another vlog. Yes, if you are new here, I am Pebbles. Whether you're new or returning, either way, thank you so much. Here, so while I have you, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment or three, you know, yeah. All right, so today is Saturday. We have an event to go to. Yes, I just got home. I got home a little later than what I wanted. The event starts at 6. It's a little after 5 right now. And so yeah, I want to be there on time because it's like a wine tasting 3-course dinner. I think it's 3 courses if I remember correctly. But it's dinner, it's wine, it's, yeah, so like I said, I just got home, so I'm about to get ready, but I just wanted to say hello. And yeah, so since I don't have all that much time, I am going to cut this short and get ready, and then I'll see you. For you, it's going to be in a split of a second, but for me, it's going to be probably like an hour. So I'll see you either in the car. Yeah, I'll see you in the car on my way to the event. All right. Okay. All right, so it's like I will get there around 6:30. It says 6:29, but be cute. I like the way it came out. I had found this dress literally a few days ago. Yeah, it's the dress I was telling you about in my last vlog, my birthday vlog, from Rainbow, when I was like, I bought an extra large thinking that it would fit, but I really needed a large, so I went back and got the large, and I have it on today because this event was, I was told about it like a few days ago, so I didn't even know I was going until, you know, yeah. But yeah, did some makeup. Yeah, I'm in love. And so yes, I'm on my way there now, like I just said. And I mean, I'll be there in 2 minutes, so I'll see you in another split second.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand, make love on the beach of jet black sand, outside in the rain. We can do it all night. I'll touch all the places he would not. Some he never knew would get you high. Nothing is forbidden when we touch. That I wanna do all the things you may don't do. Hey baby, with my mind, my heart, my body singing. Don't listen to what people say. Yeah, get it out to mind. Oh,
Maybe you need a little Thank you.
Okay. They come during the day. To play basketball. I did. Monday. No, I'm just kidding. I gotta work Tuesday. If we do it early, so like 5 hours.
Okay.
I think so. I need to try to come back around with the road day. They should be providing that anyway.
Yeah, for sure. Little angel hair pasta.
Did everyone get some ice in there?
I mean, you know, if you have extra, you could just leave it there. Thank you. Lord. You'll do. You'll do. So cute.
Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of.
Alright, so I'm at this event. I want to show you my outfit, okay? Starting things off with this thrifted cigar box purse. This ring was a gift. Arm candy, watch, bracelet, thrifted. Necklaces are thrifted. This dress I got from Rainbow. $7. Okay. Yes. And my pumps are Jessica Simpson. I got these from Ross a while back. Yeah. I think that's it. And, oh yeah, these earrings. I think I got them from like City Trends. Yeah. This is it. All right. Until next time.
No, I'm with them. I was just talking about How's everybody? Don't get your neighbor butt kicked. First Thursday, boy, did you have anything? And I'm looking for her, so I'm doing that one. And the first time they all.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. what would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but
I had such a good night. Just getting in the club, just on my way home. It is almost 1 a.m. What is new? We just left Boku. Yeah, however you pronounce it. And yeah, it's such a good night. I've been sweating my ass off. I was sweating in the crease, like right behind my knees. Like what's this? I've been literally sweating every fucking where on my body. I'm pretty sure my toes were sweating. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, I need to throw my complete body in the shower. But yeah, I had such a good night. The event was cool. I showed you the food. The food was like, I guess, you know. Sorry, a cop was passing. But the food, you could tell that the event was more focused on the wine, and then the food was just like we just here, like, you know, something to eat. It wasn't like a real culinary experience, in my opinion. It was just, I mean, I was appreciated for getting, like, I appreciated being fed, you know. And that was my first meal of the day. So the hell was that? So yeah, so that also played a part of it, like, you know, because I didn't eat. Oh shit, I'm tripping, hold on. Yeah, I was too busy focused on these two SUVs in front of me. It looked like they was doing something crazy. But yeah, so yeah, as soon as I got there, I started sweating, and then it was time. I got there just in time because it was time for us to go in and sit down because I had VIP. And so we went into the building and sat down and had dinner. It was served and all that stuff, and yeah, it was really nice for it to be an event that I didn't even know anything about, and relatively last minute invite. Yeah, it was really cool. Yeah, really cool. And then I had such a good time at Boku. DJ, her name was Amber, was playing back to back to back. Like, that was my second time at Boku. 2 different DJs, and they both did an amazing job. That thing was four-headed. I didn't order anything. For one, I was full, and for 2, I left my complete wallet, I'm hoping, at home. And so yeah, so I'm glad I didn't want anything, because yeah, but I'm pretty sure somebody would have spotted me or whatever. But yeah, so that was amazing. That was great. What am I getting to this weekend? Well, today's Saturday, so tomorrow I don't have anything planned, so I don't know what else is coming. Hopefully Evie comes next week. Oh my gosh. And then until something worth vlogging, I don't know what day. She's supposed to be coming hopefully Wednesday. Or I hope she comes Wednesday, so therefore I can have her on Thursday, and hopefully we get into some things on the weekend, like Friday. And then Saturday I have a retreat with Columbia Fashion Week, And then Sunday, ooh, I don't know, we might get into some fun things next weekend. So yeah, so until then, I'll see you later, all right? Until I figure something out. You have Venice. Hey you, happy Sunday. Yes, so I decided that let's go to the trail and walk. Yep, so we're here, just parked, and you ready, baby? Let's get to walking. It's me setting up the camera, acting like I didn't set up the camera to get in the shot. Coming to get the camera. Now we about to place it somewhere else to get a different angle. Excuse me. Okay, come on. All right. I feel like it was crooked. Was it crooked? Alright, come on. Okay. Alright. Come on, baby.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can't check in with you. I'd put a string of pearls right in your hand, make love on the beach of jet black sand, outside in the rain. We can do it all night. I'll touch all the places he would not. Some he never knew would get you high. Nothing is forbidden when we touch. I wanna do all the things you men don't do. Hey baby, my mind, my heart, my body singing. Don't listen to what people say. Yeah, get it out to mine. Oh, hey. let's talk about what your friends told you. That I'm a selfish man, want my cake and eat it too. Maybe in my past, but you changed me now. Now that I've learned to love, it's you that show me how, baby. I'm talking crazy. Need you in my space, but need it, baby, I'm late. I still can't check in with you. I'll light all the candles all around. Show me to the subway, I'll go down. Nothing can be sweeter than the sound of making love.
You know what I'm just realizing? Venice hasn't peed at all. Like, nothing. He usually sprinkle everywhere, right? And he pooped right before we left the house. But I'm so surprised he hasn't like marked any territories. He's been sniffing a lot, of course. But it's funny how much out of breath I am when I start talking. I was fine until I hit record. What the hell? But yeah, so I'm surprised. I just realized that. See, he's just sniffing. I think we almost done though. Come on, bro. Come on, so we could go, because I have water, I just don't have anything to put it in for him. So I'm like also trying to get us to like get to the finish line quicker. But if I leave it up to him, we'll be out here an extra hour, because we haven't been out here in forever. So I don't want to like overwhelm him. So I want to get him out of the outside as quick as possible, but also I want him to enjoy himself, right? And for us to get a good workout. Because when we go, like, say, downtown, walking around the neighborhood, it's probably like a good 30 minutes. Because I'm never like walking fast, so we just like pacing like how I am now. Well, probably a little faster because it isn't like, you know, it's not a trail, it's just street or whatever. You get what I'm saying? It's just a neighborhood, it's just like downtown area. So right now it's like more of a pace. When I tell you it's so effing nice, it's not too hot or anything, no bugs. There's trees, so you know there's constant shade with peaks of sun. Like right now, it's a perfect day. Like it's the essence of a Sunday. Like, you get what I'm saying? The essence of a Sunday. And the reason why I came out here randomly is because I had saw someone post that they was on a trail. I was like, oh, that looks so nice. But I don't know the trail that they went to, so I came here knowing this. And yeah. So it's $6 per adult to get in here. I thought it was like you pay one fee for like the car. So I asked him, I was like, so if I had somebody with me, I had to pay like additional? He was like, yeah, it's additional $6 for adult. I think it's like $3.50 for a kid. Or I'm just like, I guess, like whatever. So, you know, come out here by myself. Because they have to pay for dole, you know. But so I don't know. I don't know if Evie will like this because it's long. Like, you know, it's really long. I'll probably take her to like a shorter one and see if she like it like one day when she comes to visit. Because I don't think we're going to have time. She comes this week, you know. Because I don't know how long she's staying. So hopefully she stays until she has to go back to school. But I don't know. I have to ask my brother, but I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, like I'm glistening, I'm like sweating, but it's like a good sweat, if that makes sense. Like it's not like a sweat. Now, oh, he peed. I almost felt proud. Well, I did feel proud, I guess. I don't know what that was, the emotion was. Why was I happy that he peed? Anyways, oh yeah, last night at the event, burning hot, okay, frustrated hot. And then after that I felt like I was stink. And then we went out and I was like, man, I hope like people not tolerating me just cause, like, you know, cause I don't ever want to be someone who's like nose blind to smells. Like, you know, like, oh, and so what I smell, I just hope that they don't smell, because, you know, well, maybe you don't know, but like I could smell me like the different phases, I guess you could say. I don't know. But yeah, so I was just like a bit uncomfortable, but also trying not to like project that. But yeah, because I'm pretty sure when I'm uncomfortable, it could come across like differently if someone don't know me, like, you know. But yeah, so that's that. So we're gonna get back to this walk. It's getting a little uneven now. Gotta pay attention. But yeah. I don't know why I thought we was out here for like at least an hour and a half. We only been out here for like an hour and 10 minutes. Cause I based off my first video, the time I took my first video. So I guess it is, almost, no, like an hour, yeah. Man, when we was over there, when we finished the trail, when we made it back to like the lake view, I heard these kids screaming. I'm like, why does it sound like they have like rides here? Like, it sounded like they was on a whole ride. It didn't sound like they was playing. I'm like, do they have a ride here? Like, you know, like maybe like just a small something. I come over here, no, they don't. They just have that. They was screaming. They was having the time of their life, baby. I don't know if you heard it, but yeah. Ooh, but we're done. We're done. You had fun, baby? I know you're going to sleep heavy. You're going to sleep so well. Had the best nap of your life. I like racking up on these too when I come out here, you know? Make my $6 worth it.